Hello everyone, Chevify here. So today we're going to talk about enums. So enums are a way to represent a group of similar variables, and they will be constant, and you would normally use them for like managing a state of something. In gaming in general, since we're talking about Godot here, you would use them for character states such as jumping, idle state, and stuff like that. So the way you create it, you use the enum keyword, so enum, and you could call a state, for example, and then you use the curly bracket, and you pass in the names that you want. So let's just use on here and then off. So technically these are actually just constants and they start at 0, but you could specify a number that you wanted to start, or you could give them your own numbers and they would work the same. So if you create another one here, this next one would become 6, but we're gonna not use those. So let's delete that and delete this one. And now what you do with this is you could have a variable now that's called current state, and in the ready function you could set it to state that on, for example, or let's set it to off currently. So equal state that off, and you could print out that current state. There you go. It printed 1 because off is second one on the list and on would be 0, but for the sake of making it simple, let's put that to be 1 or 0. So off is now 0 and on is 1. Now what's good about this is now you could use the match condition. So match current state, and you could just say current state, say state that off, or then you could print is off, then is on. I could print that up. There you go, is off, and change it to on, is on. Now, and we have this here. If you want these values to be global to the entire script, the way you do that is just remove the state here, and now you have these values to use anywhere you want. So just remove this, and then remove this, and remove this, and now you could access these like they're just a regular variable, but remember they're constants. And this now supports like being there at all times. All right, and that should be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.